Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 37. In this lecture we want to teach you how to find the square root of a decimal number by dividing method. Here in the previous lecture, in lecture 36, we had perfect number which they were integers. They were not decimal numbers. Now here we want to find the square root of decimal number, those numbers which they have perfect square root. Here we have 4 examples. We want to solve this question. First question, square root of 15.21. We want to write the number here, 15.21. And we draw the line here. We make groups, integers from right side, make groups. Here 15 is a group and also 21 is another group. Decimal number from right side and from left side, and integers from right side. We want to make group. Here we have 15. If we give 4 multiplied by 4, it will become 16. 16 is more than 15. Therefore, we have to write here 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. We subtract this number, 9 from 15, we get 6. Here we now we want to add 3 by 3, it is equal to 6. Now we want to find bring down 21 to 21. So here we have to raise the decimal number in front of 3. Now it will become 621. Here and here we will give a number which multiply by itself and by 6. It should not be greater than 621. If we put here 9 multiplied by 9, 81, carry 1. 9 multiplied by 6, 54. 9 multiplied by 6, 54. 54 plus 8, 62. Therefore, the answer is 3.9. 3.9 is square root of this number. Next one, 72.25. We want to find the square root of this number. First, 72.25. Here we have two numbers, 72. Here we have 25. We make it groups first. 72. If we put here 9 multiplied by 9, it is equal to 81. Therefore, we will have to put here 8. 8 multiplied by 8, 64. We subtract this number. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Here, when we arrive to when we reach to decimal point, we have to write here decimal point. Now we want to write down 25. Here 25. 8 plus 8, it is equal to 16. Now here we have to put a number. If we multiply both 5 multiplied by 5, 25. 25 carry 2. 5 multiplied by 6, 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Carry 3. 5 multiplied by 1. 5, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Therefore, the answer is 8.5. 8.5. It is the answer of the square root of this number. It should be your homework you have to do by yourself. We want to find the square root of this number. First, we want to write here the number 790.3761. We make group to like this. From left side, this our group. Now we draw this line here. Here we have 79. We have to put here 8. 8 multiplied by 8, 64. Minus 64, subtract from 79. We get 4 minus 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Now 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. We bring down 97. Then we have to put a number. If we put 9 multiplied by 9, 81. 8 carry 8. 9 multiplied by 6, 54. 54 plus 8, 62. Carry 6. 9 multiplied by 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 7 minus 1, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 5, 1 minus 1. Now we want to write down 90. Here 9, we want to add these two numbers. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 1 plus 6, 7, 1. Here we want to write a number. If we put 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Carry 2. 5 multiplied by 8, 40. 40 plus 2, 42. Carry 4. 5 multiplied by 7, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. Carry 3. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 8,925. It is greater than 7,000. So we have to write here 4, not 5. Uh, 4 multiplied by 4, 16. Carry 1. 4 multiplied by 8, 32. 32 plus 1, 33. Carry 3. 4 multiplied by 7, 28. 28 plus 3, 31. Carry 3. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 7. 10 minus 6, 4. 8 plus minus 3, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. Now we reach to decimal point. We have to carry here decimal point. Now we bring down 37. Now here we want to write 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8, 7, 1. We want to write here 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 8, 24. 24. We have 2. 3 multiplied by 8, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. We have 2. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 17, we have to subtract this number. 70 minus 9, 8. 17 minus 9, 8. 12 minus 4, 8. Now 13 minus 3, minus 6, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. We want to bring down 61. Here we want to add 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 8, 8, 7, 1. Here we want to write 1. Here also want to write 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 1 multiplied by 6, 6. 1 multiplied by 8, 8. 1 multiplied by 7, 7. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Therefore, the answer is 894.31. The square root of this number is 894.31. It was the solution of this question. Thank you.